queues. And today, of course, is expiry as well. So that factor will also be on minds of people. We are starting off the day, as I pointed out, 60 points higher on the Nifty. Sensex also a quarter percent higher. It's it's the advanced decline ratio, which is very strong. 1,400 stocks advancing to almost 200 declining. And that's the reason there's an outperformance yet again in the small cap index. So while the Nifty and Sensex had hit record high yesterday, the small cap hadn't. Looks like today it's actually catching up. And we are likely to see that bit of rally today. Let's see whether it continues on the heavyweights, the likes of HDFC Bank, Infosys, because these were the names that were doing well yesterday. Is that something which is continuing today? ICICI Bank is something which is leading from the front, and you also have names like Reliance, etc. perking up a bit. From the broader market, not many movers to be honest. On the gaining side, just pull up a Suprajit, a Hindustan Copper, CSC on account of that antique upgrade, 5-star on account of that DAM capital note and the 1,000 rupees target price. Hudco, which has actually had surge around 10% yesterday on that 14,500 crore tie-up, is building on to gains. And Canara Bank too. There, Canara Robeco AMC has got the in-principle approval from the board to get listed separately. So there is that value unlocking that people are factoring in on that one. On the losing side, Zomato is down 3%. Biocon has started on the back foot, and 3M India is also retracing a bit. But from the broader markets, I don't see any other big mover as such. Maybe a KPI Green and a BL Kashyap, but not really big movers. Just a very broad-based move that we have at our hand when we are starting off the trading session.
Oh yes, indeed, broad-based it is, with the frontline indices as well holding out along with the broader markets. And some of the names though that are bucking the general trend within the broader universe, well, take stock of a Biocon, Indocount, Siad, Bharat Dynamics, Bombay Burma, but otherwise Coal India, Hindalco, UPL, all of those stocks clearly doing the heavy lifting. What are the first trades? Our chartists are punching in, and 21,720. Kunal, what is it that you make of the start to the markets on expiry day and your top trades?
I think it's a good start, and I think historically we've also seen that whenever the index opens with a mild bit of a gap up, the expiry tends to be on the same trajectory. So hopefully we would be looking at higher levels than 21,700 for the expiry. In terms of opening trade, I'll still go with the mid-cap name CESC. I think it's a very attractive chart. The stock has broken past about the previous swing highs of 126. So that's a trade which I'll be looking to do in the open.
What about you, Naresh? What's the opening trade that you are spotting?
So continue like SBI, that should be a stock which could break out about the 655, 660 mark. So buy at current levels as well.